Hello everyone, my name is Auro and welcome to the 33rd devlog of my base building game, Chambers of Devious Design. I just came back from a week-long vacation, so this is going to be a quick one, but still, let's see what I did in the last 2 weeks. Aside from some small adjustments and bug fixes, one new concrete thing I added are these completion sounds to the rooms. So now each different room type will have a few different options that they will play when the room gets completed. At first I was a bit worried if there's too much stuff going on when you complete a room, like visual things flying out and different sounds playing, but I think this little sound I added to this adds to it. At least I don't think it's too much, but I would also love to hear what you think. Let's see, I will play a few more, maybe this will play a few sounds in a row. Yeah, so let me know what you think, is it cool or not. Other than that, I start to really focus on testing the game, playing through the campaign and basically trying my best to emulate a random new player that starts the game and yeah, seeing what the experience is like and if there's something that I should improve or balance wise adjust, and yeah, well, you know what testing is, so yeah, I started doing that. I already have a bunch of notes of things to fix or things to improve, so I think I will next do those and then continue testing some more, and after I'm done with that I will start a small beta test for other people also to try out the game. So speaking of that, if this game seems like your cup of tea and you would like to help with the testing, please hit me up on Discord or Twitter or anywhere you can, so I would love to get a few extra people to try out the game. Then another thing that is kind of related, I opened up another project in Unity, and to be specific, that is my previous game Mortal Glory. So I had this idea that I would make a new patch for the game when my new game comes out. So a bit of fun extra content, and then I can also use that opportunity to mention my new game, and hopefully some of the players from Mortal Glory will also be interested in this new game. But yeah, it was kind of funny to go back to this older game and see how crappily I have implemented things there, and yeah, it took a bit of time to adjust back to the old code. But no, it wasn't actually quite that bad. It took me maybe 1 hour to browse around and see how things were connected, and then get back to it and add some things. I didn't actually want to add too much because after being away for so long, there's the risk that I might break something that I don't remember being so important. So yeah, I added a few new fun things to the game, and yeah, I think the players will really enjoy those, and they were kind of quick to add, so that's win-win in my book. It's going to be really exciting to see if the new update will invigorate the game a bit. I'm not expecting too much, but it would be nice to see if some players come back to the game and try it out with the new update. I think booting up my old game in Unity was actually kind of nice perspective-wise also. So my first reaction was that, oh god, everything looks so crappy, like these UI elements and everything, it doesn't look very polished. And yeah, my new game is also not perfect, but I think, but it looks a lot better in my opinion. But the perspective thing was that even this game, my first game, did quite well despite the graphics So I don't know, maybe in the new game I'm focusing too much on how it looks, but I don't know, maybe not, who knows. It doesn't actually take too much time to make the UI look nice, so yeah, just something to think about. And actually that's everything I did in the last 2 weeks. As mentioned, I just came back from a week-long vacation, so yeah, I didn't have too many hours to spend on the game. But I think now, when I'm back, I will start the final push to get the game out, and I'm hoping I will be able to release the game within 2 months, I would say. Yeah, hopefully. Alright, but hey, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.